How to listen music together on Spotify. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To listen the music together on your Spotify, it will only take couple of steps. But the most important thing you should know is if you are subscribed to Spotify Premium or not. If you are subscribed to your premium, you can easily have a group session. If you want to know how, let's go ahead and check it out. First and foremost, select the audio that you want to listen together or create a group session. After that, click on it to play the audio. Tap on the audio right here. Now, if you have a premium Spotify, you will see the option of group session right here, where you can share this audio among different devices so that you can listen to the same music at exact same duration. If you have not subscribed to Spotify Premium yet, you can go ahead and check it out. In order to do so, at the top left corner, you will see a user icon. Click on it. From here, head over to Settings and Privacy. Then you need to head over and search for Spotify Premium. Then tap on the option of Go Premium. You can have a free trial at $0 for your premium as well. So this is how you'll be able to listen music together on Spotify. Just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.